With the ignition key, place it in the ignition cylinder without turning it on. Then with all the doors closed, push the unlock button on the door switch, hold it down, cycle the ignition key on, and then off, and then on, and then off, and then let up on the unlock switch. The door lock should cycle. Then take the key fob, hold down the lock and unlock button until you hear the doors cycle, which could take about 15 seconds. Now this key fob is programmed. If you have any other key fobs to program, grab those and do the same. Hold down on those buttons. When all 4 of them are programmed, up to 4 of them, then to stop the programming, turn the key into the on position. That turns the program off. You can take the key out and double check, and they work.